Alright, we're going to try to do the driver's side engine mount on a 2012 Yukon. And so there's been a couple different methods to doing this. Looks like the hardest part will be to remove the bolts attaching it to the engine block. The three that mount it to the chassis, it's fairly readily accessible, but it's the one that's going there. So we're going to give it a shot and see if we can loosen those first. So we're going to try to loosen the four that's on the engine, and then we'll go to the others. Okay. All right, I removed the mount bolts here, and I lifted the engine just a little bit, and if you can see, it's kind of free, it moves around. So now I'm going to remove the bolts that are attaching to the block, and hopefully we can get this free. Okay. Okay, there it is. I got it out. It's a little bent, but it's okay. And here's the new mount, and so let's transfer over the pieces from this one to the new one. Okay. Okay, let's get the engine mount. There's 4 of them, 15mm. That was tough. The heat shield, and then this is the old one. So we're gonna put it on just like this. Leave that piece on there. Put the heat shield back on, like so. The news, that's back on, and then don't forget to put the mount back on too. How about that? Just like that. Okay, that was some tough reach for those bolts. Okay, I am not kidding. Okay, and let's tighten those up, and then we can get those in. Okay, yeah, that was something else to get those bolts out. Okay, all right. The engine mount is okay. The engine mount is back in. I just got the 4 bolts that attach it to the block. Oh, that was really tough, but I was able to squeeze it in. The heat shield got bent up a little bit, but I'll straighten that back out, and then all I have to do now is tighten down these 3 chassis bolts, and then I can reattach the steering linkage, and we should be good to go. Alright, I slid the steering shaft back into that piece right there, and I tightened that bolt with the retainer, and that's it. And you can tell it looks okay. That took about, I don't know, 3 hours, a lot of fighting. But those 4 bolts on the engine mount, that is probably the hardest part of the whole job. But good luck.